She's got ribbons and paper, a cauldron of glue. With every creation, she's spooking the crew. The black cats purr and the witches all cheer for the magic she spins this time of year. Oh, Indiana Jones, you're the talk of the night, with your Halloween craft shining so bright. Bats and spiders and a ghostly delight. Indiana Jones keeps the season just right.
Welcome to my channel, Crafting with me, Indiana Jones, and pull up a chair here in my coffee house. Myself and my friends Dawn of Shappy Meets Bling, Monica of Up All Night DIY, Natalie of Sparks of Joy, and Mary of the Painted Peach are bringing you some caffeinated inspirations for today, and mine have a little bit of a spooky Halloweeny fall type vibe. So grab your pumpkin latte or your cafecito if you're Cuban like me, and let's get some coffee going for today. So every good coffee house has a great coffee name, and I decided to create the Black Cat Café because of course I have a black cat. Now I am going to warn you, first of all, I have this lovely blank canvas of this sign. I'm so sorry. And I decided to create an actual sign, and I cannot stand using the Cricut. For whatever reason, crickets and I don't meet eye to eye. But I do love my Cricut Joy. Love my Cricut Joy. It's a small little Cricut. But I always forget to like weld or whatever it's called. So I forgot to weld, and I'm not going to waste my good vinyl. So here I am trying to work with this, this mess of letters. But don't worry, I'll get through it. So yes, instead of just cutting it all again, I just decided to add the letters one by one. Oh, just absolutely crazy. It's been a crazy week. I don't want to go into all the details. I just say there's been, family emergencies involved. So this is not my best of video. So if this is your first time here, I profusely apologize. And if it is your first time, consider coming back for more, or looking back at some other stuff I've done, and subscribing and liking and sharing, because I will be able to bring even more fun stuff. But this is what happens, this happens to the best of us. And I did not want to recut all of those letters. So instead, I'm just putting them on as best as I can. And this is the permanent stuff, which I didn't think about. Maybe I should have used the removable, but it's fine. So here we're starting my Black Cat Cafe sign. Now, do you have a specified area for your cafe or for your coffee machine? I do have a Keurig. I also have an espresso cube because I do like espresso coffee. I like my Cuban coffee. And yes, I buy Cuban coffee pods for my Nespresso. So I decided to go ahead and do this on my in my little coffee location, which is actually in my dining room. And it also has my tea. Now for this one, my teapot is actually a Christmas teapot, and I'm talking about electric teapot. It boils my water, and I always have it all year long, the little Christmas one, but I didn't want to keep it there for this particular collaboration, so I will remove it. Now here again, I'm just adding the letters as best as I can. And to add to the fun, we literally have a black cat to review everything we're doing. She is inspecting her sign because this is her cafe after all. So again, I am struggling with, I don't know how you guys do it. I see you ladies out there and gentlemen using your Cricuts, and you just like, bam, 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 put the letters on, put the little sticky thing, and then put it back on the thing and whatever. I don't know why I have such difficulty. Are you Cricut, what is it called? Cricut challenged? I'm Cricut challenged, people. Cricut challenged. Cricuts are not good for me. But anyway, here I'm trying my absolute best to get this done, and getting frustrated along the way because I'm rushing through it, literally rushing through this. And I hope you like it. I did my best. So I think that's the most important thing you can do if you create a coffee station, is create a little, look at this mess I'm doing with my fingers and the letters. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm reliving the trauma, reliving the Cricut trauma. Anyway, if you have a location in your house, create a sign, and it doesn't take a lot of effort. You don't have to do what I did. I would recommend you don't do what I did, and just, paint it. Whatever, I would have gotten done faster if I just painted it. Look at this. Oh my goodness gracious. Anyway, I won't make you suffer through this anymore. Look at this. What a mess. I'm just sticking just stick the letters on there. I don't know if you want to watch this for laughs and giggles, please be my guest, but oh my gosh. It's just an absolute mess. But anyway, this is why you don't see me doing a lot of Cricut work. Now you see why. Okay, got all the letters on. Now it's time to decorate. So here I'm actually using the backing from the Cricut vinyl. And I'm going to paint all my little pieces. Now these are cutouts that I already had from last year. And you can get these at the Dollar Tree unless, of course, now they're $1.75. So I almost wonder, for those of us who have our stash, don't you feel a little guilty that you didn't buy more stuff when it was still $1.25? Oh, goodness gracious. Well, there's Kitty Cat ears. She is inspecting. Do you have a black cat? If you do, I know Dawn does. If you have a black cat, and his name is Friday. Get it? Black Friday. Anyway, if you do have a black cat, what did you name your black cat? We named it Kuru. And I spell it Kurou, but it should be Kuro, which means, I believe, black in Japanese, I believe. But anyway, I love finding out when people have black cats. They're magical, mystical, sweet, velvety critters. Or is your cat, at least that's mine, or is yours just, a demon in cat disguise or something that's terrorizing everything? There's Luna, and I almost feel bad that I didn't give Luna some space on the board. I should have had Luna lattes. Instead of pumpkin lattes, it should have been Luna lattes. Anyway, for the next sign, I'll make another sign with some brews named and a menu. I think that would be cute. So that might be my next little project. But there we go, a little hat, a pumpkin, a ghost, all the necessary objects that you need for a perfect little Halloween cafe sign. Now this is that was the pads that I had on my bar stools in my kitchen, and they were nasty because the cats like to sit on them because I was not very smart and I picked a light beige color. So now I have this wonderful coffee themed material that I got at Joann's after their wonderful sales and blowouts. So I'm just going to sew it. It's so simple because it's a square, people. Let's not make it complicated. It's a square. I was going to try to make it complicated, add like tassel. I don't have time. Let's face it, I don't have time. I just don't. And I wanted to make curtains as well, but again, because of a family emergency, and don't worry, thank you for your prayers and your thoughts. Everything's okay. I'm okay. It wasn't me, but someone, I don't want to say exactly who it is, but someone very, very important to me in my life, and they needed me to be there for them. So I am doing the best I can, sewing these cushions immediately and getting them onto my chair. And I don't have video of the chair, but at the end you will see the chair, the bar stool with the cushions. So I hope you like it. There's nothing much else I can really say about making the cushions. It's basically, 4 stitches and that's it. That's all you have to do. And here I actually try to make a kitchen towel with the same fabric. And I'm sorry I didn't take a picture of it, and I don't even know where I put it. I think I put it to use right away. But yes, I made a kitchen towel to match, and I do want to make a curtain. So if time allows, I will make a curtain to match all of these wonderful accessories in my kitchen. So even though it's not Halloween themed, it's perfect for fall, I believe, because of the dark color. Okay, so a little bit more about the emergency. Again, not me, somebody else very close to me had to be in the hospital. While they're sleeping, what am I doing? I'm crafting. Okay, that's pretty bad, people, but I really wanted to be part of this collaboration. I missed it last time, I believe. And yeah, so I had, that's one of those little lamps, the little lamp shades for the little lamps, and some aluminum foil. And I am creating a mushroom for my coffee station. Why, do you ask? Annie, what do mushrooms have to do with coffee stations? Well, it's a big trend now that there is mushroom coffee, believe it or not. And all the youngins seem to like the mushroom coffee. It's supposed to be better for you. I've tried it. It's okay. Give me my coffee. Give me my caffeine. I'm Cuban. Need it in my blood. I was born with it. I need the real stuff. But to give homage to these mushroom coffee drinkers, I am creating a spooky mushroom coffee. Mushroom coffee? Coffee mushroom? I don't know. One of those things. For me, the best product to do this with is with foam clay. So I did bring foam clay with me. Yes, I did. I didn't bring paints or anything, but aluminum foil, the form underneath, and paints. And I am using a fork because I don't have anything to shape it with because I didn't bring it with me. So all of these items, I'm putting them together to make this lovely little mushroom dude. And if you will be so kind to forgive me, I tried to film myself painting. I came home very late last night, and painted my little mushroom project. I'm gonna call him, Manny the mushroom. No, because he's a meanie mushroom. They're not Manny, like Mushy the mushroom. I don't know. It's a mushy mushroom. And he just came out so cute. So here I am. I'm going to make his little face, his little eyes. And again, using what I had on hand, fork, knife, spoons, whatever I had, to try to make this cute little critter. And I really love the way he turned out. But you can see the whole cafe and this cute little mushroom guy in my final reveal.
Pumpkins on the porch, glowing gold. Raggedy ghosts sway, shiver in the cold. Leaves whisper secrets to the biting air. A witch hat's tossed, forgotten, near the rocking chair. Oh, pumpkins and raggedy ghosts, witch hats by the fire, where shadows boast. Black cat's cozy, curled up tight. Halloween's here, under the moon's pale light. Lanterns flicker, dancing low. Jack-o'-lantern grins, a mischievous glow. The wind hums tunes, a spectral choir, while witch hats gather round the fire. And do you hear the footsteps on the stair?
Thanks again to my friends Dawn of Shabby Meets Bling, Monica of Up All Night DIY, Natalie of Sparks of Joy, and Mary of Painted Peach. Please remember to visit their channels and all the channels that are in this playlist. I thank you for stopping by, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, stay safe, be kind. God bless each and every one of you, and remember to live the adventure, and I'll be back with some more spooky fun stuff.